Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2010 TT. Iconic in its looks, legendary in its performance, there is no room to misinterpret what the TT line is designed for. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, fog lights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.